Hi guys! How are you? How are your plant babies? My name is Shera and I live in Istanbul, Turkey. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm so excited because my plant arrived. This is my last hooray for the month of November. I'm so excited. I hope they are okay. They're in good condition. And oh my god, my husband will kill me. I said this is the last for this month, and I found nice plants in the internet, and I think I'm not really a fan of these plants, but they look good. I hope they look the same in person. Let's see. Without further ado, let's open the box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. By the way, I would like to say thank you to the two beautiful ladies here. Thank you for bringing food. They don't want to be named. But I would like to say thank you also to my friends who are very supportive, my BFF in the Philippines, and to my good friend in Kujaile, Rebecca Villahel for always supporting me. And to Ate Gina for always watching my vlog. Thank you so much. To my friends in the Philippines, my neighbors, and my friends here in Istanbul, Turkey. And to my followers from all over the world. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's start. I talk too much, right? Let's get started. Oh my god, let's see. I hope they gave me freebies, because the last time from my other seller I got 2 freebies. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost cut my finger. Look at the, oh my god. See, this is the problem. Hey, I don't like the way it's packed. It's being packed. I hope they're in good condition. Let's check, let's check. Oh my goodness, I need to stand. This guy doesn't know how to pack plants. Oh my god, this is kind of, rush packing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look how they do it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Hey, yay. Oh la la. Oh my goodness. So let's start with this. Oh my gosh. How did they do? Oh my goodness. Very amateur. Look how did they pack. And it is soaking wet. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. This looks so bad. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What a disappointment. Oh my God, my daughter says emotional damage. I am emotionally damaged right now. Look at this. Wish they did not water it. It's sitting in a very wet soil. This is actually a Hoya Croniana Super Silver, but oh my goodness, look what happened to this. And what I think, because in the photo it was thick and it was looking so good, and this looks like it is just newly planted, so probably they kind of divide the plant and repot this one here, because it does not look like it is old. This is just newly planted. I'm so disappointed. Never again to the seller. This looks like a crap. This doesn't look like the one in the picture. It's like trash. Oh my goodness. This, yeah, I'm so excited, you know, but I am so disappointed right now. What is this? I hope I can... Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, because the one in the picture is not in this pot. So it's very obvious that they divide the plant. They gave me half and planted it in this plant. Really. This plant is so beautiful, but look at this right now. So effing bad. Anyways, I hope I can still revive this plant. This is very beautiful in the picture. And look at this one right now. And look at the soil. It's soaking wet. Oh my gosh. Never again to this seller. See? Because they just planted it. They transferred it. Oh my goodness. What a disappointment. Oh, I hope the others are good. So, oh my gosh. And this is, let's check this one. Let's check this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, at least this one looks better. It's okay. This is Hoya Wyetii. Doesn't look bad. This is okay. I think the one that's packing this up doesn't know how to pack plant. At least this is looking healthy, but it's so wet. The soil is so heavy. The pot is so heavy, I mean. But at least it's looking healthy, you guys. So I can give them 5 for this. Let's check the other 3. Oh my goodness. They just kind of tangled this one with each other. Oh my gosh. Oh my my goodness. Ah. What did they do? Oh my God. It took a lot of effort yet to untangle these plants with the others. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Hey. This is the most difficult unboxing that I did. That it's really like, oh my God, it's a very messy unboxing. Oh my goodness. Okay. Why did you put zip ties? What the heck? How I'm gonna remove the zip ties without hurting the plant? Okay, so this is plant number 3. This is a philodendron sanadu. At least this one looks the same in the picture. But I think I'm gonna remove this from the soil because it's really soaking wet. But at least this one looks a bit healthy, so no problem. And what is this? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my God, look how they're packing. Look at this. What? I am planning to buy more from this seller because I have found nice plants in their page, but oh my God, the way that they are handling the packing system is not good. Oh my goodness. Oh, at least this is, oh, let me check. Oh my gosh. Hey, so this is plant number 4. I ordered 5 from them, and oh my goodness, this is plant number 4. This is Hoya compacta. I thought this is the variegated one because in the photo it's it looks like it is variegated, but it's the regular Hoya compacta. I like this plant. I like the curly pattern of the leaves. Look at this. But at least this one looks healthy. Just the other one is really damaged. But this one, at least this one looks so healthy. And this one also. So, no problem. And, oh my God, what a mess. And this is what I really wanted. Oh my God. Oy, oy, oy. Oh my door. Hey. Oh. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. My goodness, what a mess. They don't know how to pack plants. I keep saying that because, yes. Oh my gosh. This is the fifth one, and this is what I really wanted. That's why I actually would just like to buy this one, but I found these three Hoyas. Look at this. This is philodendron belete. At least this looks healthy. Look, and there's a new one unfurling. At least I'm happy. It is indeed a lot of work opening this box, but there's just one plant that is damaged. At least this one is looking so good and healthy. So yeah, I'm good. Oh my gosh. See, I will open it later. Look at this. So they gave me the right one, because sometimes some sellers are not honest. Like I've said, if the plant looks bushy or kind of full, they will divide it and give you half. Sometimes they give you not the one in the picture, but at least they gave me this one, and I'm so happy for that. And also they gave me freebie. At least they gave me a freebie. What is this? Oh my goodness, if they are like this with their plants, my god, all their plants will die. The soil, it's already winter and the soil are so, oh my god, wet and sticky. I need to change the soil on this one. So this is their freebie. Let's check what is this. What plant is this? I will upload. My friend really couldn't stand and get the scissor. Oh, this is Ingunium pink. Look at this, guys. Oh, this is the freebie. And this is how they did it. Look how they put it inside. In this box. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess. But at least, again, I have to show you one. Oh, I like this so much. This is what I really wanted. Philodendron belete. And Hoya compacta. Look at the curly pattern on this one. I feel like crying on this. Oh my god, look at this. This plant is a mess. I hope I can revive this. This doesn't look so good and I don't see. Oh my gosh. I take a closer look. It's like you have to toss it in the trash. Look at this. Oh my god. But at least this is looking good and healthy. I just need to repot them and change the soil, because the soil that they're into is not good. And so wet and thick. And this, I would like to put this one in Leica. I have two of this in Leica in the glass jar, but I sold the two to my friends, and then I got jealous because I don't have mine. So again, I bought another one for myself. But this one is big. Yes, and this is my last plant purchase online for the month of November. Let's see what I can find in the internet next time, or maybe I hope if the weather is nice we can go to the plant shop. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Have a nice day.